Wait until the end of this video to see the final portraits of our adorable 6-month-old baby girl. Pero bago yon, let me take you behind the scenes of what really happens during a family photo shoot. Spoiler alert, hindi laging madali lalo na kapag fussy ang baby. This is such a precious milestone kasi babies are at this age are curious, giggly, pero minsan din iyakin at mahirap pakalmahin. Kasama natin ang mom niya, lolo't lola, and mga tita for a family portrait, which makes it extra special. As photographers, we always prepare a beautiful setup pero hindi natin makokontrol ang moods ng babies. Si baby kasi dito started crying almost agad-agad. Fussy na siya and she wanted cuddles all throughout the session. And that's okay, dito papasok ang patience namin. May times talaga na halos hindi kami makapag-click ng camera, pero hindi kami nagmamadali. Babies feel your energy, kaya dapat kalmado ka lang din. Kapag ganito ang senaryo, ang pinaka-importante, flexibility. We don't force the poses. Instead, we follow the baby's mood. Ginamit namin yung mga pampakalma na techniques like ipapakarga namin siya sa mom. Minsan, magpapatugtog kami ng mga sounds na gusto niya or papanoorin namin siya ng phone kung ano man yung gusto niyang pinapanood. Yan. Kahit pa crying siya, we always make sure she feels safe and comfortable. As you can see, pinapakalma siya ng mom niya, na-entertain siya ng mom niya, tsaka ng assistant ko, si Ma'am Grace. Then, mag-click na ako niyan. Kumbaga, hahabol na ako ng konting safe shots. Sometimes, the most beautiful portraits come from unscripted moments. Habang nasa mommy's shoulder, may paiyak-iyak, we captured raw and authentic emotions. So, kahit umiiyak, pinipicturean ko pa rin. These are memories na hindi laging picture perfect, pero sobrang totoo at priceless. After ilang oras na iyakan, cuddles, at attempts, dumating din yung breakthrough moment. Minsan may mga nakasmile naman siya. Usually sa mga ganitong shoot, hindi mo talaga pwedeng i-predict kung kailan magiging cooperative yung baby. Pero when it happens, sobrang fulfilling. Nakita namin na slowly nagiging curious na si baby sa paligid, nakatingin na siya sa lights, nakatingin na sa lola, naglalaro ng kamay, nagsasak siya ng thumbs niya minsan, at medyo nag-relax na yung braso ng baby. That's our cue para ituloy yung photoshoot. Dito pumapasok yung pagiging alert ng photographer. Kasi every second counts. Minsan isang smile lang, tapos wala na. Kaya ready lagi ang camera. Ang maganda pa dito, dahil may halong iyak at kalmadong moments, nakukuha namin yung mga variety of emotions ng baby. May photos na raw and dramatic, parang storytelling type. Mayroon ding soft, angelic expression, na timeless, depende sa baby. At syempre, hindi mawawala yung genuine smile ng parents habang tinitingnan si baby. Those are golden, hindi scripted, hindi pilit, pure love and connection lang. Kung tatanungin niyo ako, ito yung pinaka-essence ng family portraits. Hindi siya tungkol sa perfect posing, kundi sa capturing what's real and what's authentic. The love, the chaos, the patience, and the joy, all in one frame. After halos buong session na iyakan at fuzziness, finally we had the breakthrough. Alam niyo yung feeling na parang lahat kami huminga ng sabay when baby started to calm down. Ang tahimik bigla ng studio, parang magic yung moment. Unti-unti nagsishift yung energy. Kanina puro struggle. Ngayon, curious na siya. Tinitingnan niya yung gown niya. Tinitingnan niya yung lights. Nagsasakto siya ng thumbs niya. Tapos biglang may konting ngiti. Sa amin bilang photographers, those little shifts are everything. Kaya super alert kami. Walang bibitaw sa camera. Kasi minsan isang segundo lang yung window na yon. A single glance, a single smirk. Kahit yung simpleng paghawak niya sa cheeks niya, sa gown niya, priceless na agad. And what's beautiful is, hindi lang si baby ang star dito, pati yung mom or parents. Yung reaction nila, their patience, the way they comforted their child the whole time. Lahat yun nakikita at napipil sa portraits. Hindi lang siya baby session, it became a family story. Ayan, kagaya niyan, pinapakalma siya ng mga tita niya. Dalawa kasi tita ni baby dito. Napansin din namin habang mas relax si baby, mas nagiging natural din yung parents. From the stress kanina na baka walang makuhang shots, napalitan ng tawa, ng relief. Lalo na dun sa bandang family portrait, medyo kalmado na si baby dun. Sobrang genuine ng moments na yon na kahit wala sa plan, sila mismo yung nagiging highlight. At dito makikita yung beauty ng family portraits. Hindi laging picture perfect smiles. Minsan, it's the little struggles, the in-betweens, the raw emotions na mas may meaning. And kagaya dito, tinatry ko rin laruin si baby, pakalmahin siya. Hindi ko siya masyadong pinipilit, ngumiti. So, may break time din in between. Kasi ang hirap kapag iyak siya ng iyak, baka kung mapano pa si baby. Ayan, tinatry namin siyang laruin. Kahit ako, tinatry ko siyang pakalmahin. Pupwesto ko siya sa malambot na higaan. Tapos makikipaglaro ako. Ayan, minsan binibigyan namin ng laruan. Para kumalma lang. Tinatry namin kumalma na kami yung nakikita instead of yung family members. Para masanay sa amin. Kaso minsan talaga hindi talaga kaya. Kaya babalik yung mom para pakalmahin siya. Babalik yung lola. Ayan, kagaya niyan. Yung lola naman na nagpapakalma sa baby. Dito medyo kumalma na siya, kaya medyo marami ako shots dyan. Kaso, hindi nga lang nakatingin masyado sa camera, but it's okay. Napakahalaga talaga ng mga ganitong photoshoot, especially in family portrait. Kasi years from now, when they look at these photos, hindi lang nila makikita ang cute ng baby nila. They'll remember the day, the patience, the love that carried them through this shoot. As photographers, ito yung pinakahihintay naming moment. Yung breakthrough na nagsasabi, worth it lahat ng iyakan, worth it lahat ng pag-a-adjust, worth it lahat ng patience. And in the end, nakakuha rin kami ng mga timeless portraits na hindi lang maganda tingnan, kundi may kwento rin sa likod ng bawat frame. At last, kalmado na si baby, hindi na siya umiiyak, nakatingin na siya sa mommy and mga titas niya with those curious, innocent eyes. Ang sarap ng ganitong moment kasi dito na lumalabas yung natural connection ng family. Habang nasa arms ni mommy, kita mo talaga yung sense of safety. Yung hawak na mahigpit pero gentle, yung paghaplos niya sa baby niya, pakikipaglaro, habang nakangiti. Dito lumalabas yung maternal love na hindi mo kayang i-direct bilang photographer. Kusa siyang nangyayari. Sila tita naman, tsaka mga lolo't lola, naglalaro ng peekaboo saglit, or kakanta sila ng favorite song ni baby. And just like that, nagbibigay si baby ng konting tawa, parang reward sa lahat ng naging struggle kanina. Kami naman, click ng click para hindi na ma-miss yung kahit isang expression. Ayan, ang cute-cute niya dyan, sobra. We also did simple poses, nothing forced, just the family sitting close together. Later on, makikita niyo yun. Baby on mommy's lap. Tapos, nakikipaglaro lang, ganon. Ang ganda kasi, hindi siya stiff, hindi siya pilit. Puro natural na tawa, puro genuine na yakap. Ito yung type ng portraits na alam kong babalikan nila pag tumanda na si baby. Hindi lang dahil cute siya, but because these photos capture the love and teamwork ng family. From the challenges to kalmadong moments. Lahat nandito sa isang frame. And as I always say, family portraits are more than just pictures. They're proof of a session of life. A reminder na kahit mahirap, kahit may iyakan, at the end of the day, love wins. Love comes, love comforts, and love creates the most beautiful memories. This session was a reminder na hindi laging perfect ang photo shoot. Babies will cry, parents and family members will worry, at minsan kami mismong team mapapaisip kung makakakuha ba kami ng magandang shots. Pero every single time, patience and love carry us through. What I loved about this shoot is despite all the fuzziness, we captured something real. Hindi lang siya mga ngiti. It's the story of a family who showed up, gave their best, and loved their baby through every iyak and every cuddle. And that's what makes the portraits meaningful. For me, photography is never just about pretty pictures. It's about preserving a season, a fleeting chapter na hindi na mauulit. 6 months old lang si baby ngayon pero sa isang iglap mag-grow na siya. Years from now, when they look back at these images, they won't just see how cute she was. They'll remember the day, the emotions, the challenges, and the love that surrounded her. So as we end this video, I want to share with you the final portraits we created together. Timeless, heartfelt, and uniquely theirs. Because at Baby Kingdom Studio, every session isn't just about photos. It's about stories, memories, and love, captured beautifully forever. Thank you for watching, guys.